So finally, there are just some patterns to know with figures. Some things are always going to be similar. Line segments, always similar. You can always move and dilate line segments to line up with each other. Circles will always be similar. Equilateral triangles are always similar to each other. And squares will always be similar to each other. Two squares are always similar. Things that are sometimes similar are same shaped polygons. Things like rectangles, hexagons, and octagons sometimes are similar, but sometimes they're not similar, just based on the proportion of their sides. So sometimes you can see those shapes as similar, but sometimes they're not. Things that are never similar are different shaped polygons. A rectangle is never going to be similar to a triangle. It's just not going to happen. They have different sides. They're never going to, you have to do some extreme work to line those up. Also, different types of triangles. A scalene and an equilateral triangle will never be similar. Same with an isosceles and a scalene triangle. Their proportions are not going to align up for those two shapes to be able to fit on top of each other. Now you're going to do an assignment that's really going to stretch your mind on Khan Academy. It'll be a little different than what you're used to because it has a lot to do with thinking processes and your specific vocabulary. It's only 4 questions. It might take you a couple times to get all 4 right, but I encourage you to keep doing it until you're comfortable with these similarity rules.